Hello, today you're looking at a PEC 500 amp 12 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 440 volt 3-phase, is in very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. This unit is remote controlled with digital meters on the remote. Here it is. Come back to that in a second. Overall dimensions 32 inches long by 28 inches wide by 69 inches high. Weighs roughly 500 pounds. And we'll come back around here to start it up for you. To start it, hit the start button. And to turn it up, that goes up. Take a look at the oscilloscope wave here. Very nice, quiet machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.